Hi again, everyone. I'm Mike Konrad, member of the SMTA Global Board of Directors, where I'm Vice President of Communications. Back with you once again, this time for the SMTA update for July 2024. July. I can't believe we're already talking about July. Where has this year gone? Here's what's happening at SMTA. On Wednesday, July 3rd at 3 p.m. UK time, SMTA Europe will host a webinar entitled Back to Basics, SMT Assembly, presented by Charles Cawthorn of MBDA. This webinar provides an elementary guide to the background relating to surface mount technology and the manufacturing steps that are involved in the production of these types of assemblies. On Monday, July 8th, SMTA will host its SMT Process Certification course at Proactive Engineering in Sun Prairie, Wisconsin. The SMTA certification program is a 3-day offering consisting of a 1.5-day refresher workshop on topics in SMT processes. The program concludes on days 2 and 3 with an open and closed book examination. This is not an entry-level program. Basic algebra will be used in the workshop and examination. This challenging examination requires both written answers and calculations with the intent to enable the attendee to establish competitive credentials as certified by SMTA in SMT processes. The course instructor is Jim Hall from ITM Consulting. Also on Monday, July 8th, the Heartland chapter will host a technical webinar, the SMTA High Reliability Virtual Star Forum. Get ready for the highly anticipated Part 2 of the SMTA High Reliability Star Forum, now happening virtually. Speakers include Shantanu Joshi from Koki Solder, and he'll be speaking about improving reliability soldering materials. Vladimir Sitko from PBT Works, and he'll be speaking about cleaning process controls and maintenance. And Sean Torres from JBC Tools USA, and he'll be speaking about critical importance of control during the hand soldering process. And Bill Capon from Honeywell, and he'll be speaking about the value of having a mentor in SMT manufacturing. It all begins at 1 p.m. Central Time on July 8th. On Tuesday, July 16th, the Arizona, Sonora, and San Diego chapters will host a joint webinar entitled The Data Revolution within SMT Manufacturing, presented by Ryan Gamble of Intra-Ratio Corporation. This series reviews advanced techniques of data decision automation. Specific topics include state of the economy and advances in manufacturing, IT infrastructure and workforce development, manufacturing automation, process controls, test automation, inventory management, robotics, state of the future, adaptability, and scalability. It all begins at 10 a.m. Pacific Time on Tuesday, July 16th. And save the date for SMTAI, Surface Mount Technology International, which will be held October 21st through 24th, back in its home in Rosemont, Illinois. The expo will be co-located with the Assembly Show. This partnership will bring together all aspects of the engineering and electronics manufacturing industry. This event features 11 professional development courses, 92 technical presentations across 6 subject tracks, including additively manufactured electronics, advanced packaging, low-temperature solder, manufacturing for excellence, reliability and harsh environments, and test and inspection. To get more information or to register for any of these events, visit smta.org/events. SMT 007 magazine publishes a monthly column from SMTA entitled The Knowledge Base. Check out SMTA's column at iconnect007.com. The July column features an article entitled The Value of Industry Certifications and features topics including the importance of certifications to a person's career, benefits of certifications for employers, types of certifications in the electronic assembly industry, and much more. Be sure to check out this informative column by SMTA in the July issue of SMT 007 magazine. Not a member of SMTA? We can change that. Consider joining SMTA to receive the many benefits SMTA provides, including over 5,000 fully searchable technical papers in our knowledge base, on-demand webinars, 101 and advanced 201 level training courses, networking events and career resources, and a network of local chapters around the world. If your employer is an SMTA corporate member, ask them to provide you with a login so you too can begin benefiting from all SMTA has to offer. Individual memberships are available for just $95 a year. That's just 26 cents a day. More information is available at smta.org. Well, that's it for the July updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in August.